if you are getting this kind of notification, you are not alone here. We also sometimes get this kind of notification. They are basically um, third-party softwares or any kind of malicious software. So how, if you are wanting to test a software that have this kind of malicious virus or something, Sandbox will help you. Welcome to CendyVerse. I am Kennedy, and today we are driving into the powerful hidden feature of Windows, the Windows Sandbox. It lets you run untrusted apps safely in an isolated environment. Let's go. What is the Sandbox? Windows Sandbox is a lightweight temporary desktop environment. Anything you run in the sandbox stays in the isolated sandbox and delete it after closing it. And it's ideal for testing suspicious software, files, or websites. It's only available in Windows 10 or 11 Pro and Enterprise. You also need a virtualization enabled in your BIOS. At least 4 GB of RAM is enough. Now go to your search bar, then go to turn the Windows feature on off. Scroll down, then check for Windows Sandbox, then click OK. Finish some moment, doing something in background, so need some time after clicking the OK. Yes, we are done. We have completed the process setup. Just restart the new PC. After restarting, open the search menu and click the Windows Sandbox and launch it. And launching the fast launching taking time. I'm just speeding up the process for you. Here is the Sandbox is ready for use. Its use case can be testing the exe file, untrusted link. There is not much limitation. Another thing you should remember, you not any kind of present data will be saved here, and no GPU support for now, no heavy uses. If you have the heaviest processor, it's another thing. Yes, that's how you can use the Windows Sandbox. Simple, secure, and powerful. Like the video if it helped you, comment your thoughts, and subscribe to CendyVerse for weekly tech guide and smart tools. Thank you.